Hello and welcome. In the previous videos we have discussed how to download and then install WordPress on localhost XAMPP. After installing, the WordPress dashboard is the first screen which will be seen when you log into the admin area of your website. The WordPress dashboard provides navigation menu that contains some menu options such as posts, media library, pages, comments, appearance options, plugins, users, tools and settings on the left side. Welcome. It includes the Customize Your Site button, which allows customizing your WordPress theme. The center column provides some of the useful links such as creating a blog post, creating a page, and view the front end of your website. Last column contains links to widgets, menus, settings related to comments, and also a link to the First Steps with WordPress page in the WordPress codex. Quick Draft. The Quick Draft is a mini post editor which allows writing, saving, and publishing a post from admin dash. It includes the title for the draft, some notes about the draft, and save it as a draft. WordPress News. The WordPress News widget displays the latest news such as latest software versions, updates, alerts, news regarding the software, etc. from the official WordPress blog. Activity. The activity widget includes latest comments on your blog, recent posts, and recently published posts. It allows you to approve, disapprove, reply, edit, or delete a comment. It also allows you to remove a comment to a spam. Overall, this is the categorization of WordPress dashboard. That is dashboard menu, at a glance, screen options, welcome, quick draft, WordPress news. Now take a closer look at dashboard menu. Post, media, pages, comments, appearance include themes, customization, widgets, menus, header, background. So this is the basic dashboard menu for WordPress. Thank you.